see a damn thing if it ain't block. I can't see a damn thing if it ain't block.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Pablo SP Performance. We have a 2015 Ford Ecoboost engine, 2.3 liter that came out of a Mustang. The customer sent us his long block to see what we could salvage from it. On his original motor, he has vented it on cylinder 1, rod broke, swung, boom, blew a hole through the block. So what we're gonna do is tear it down to see what we could salvage from it and be able to transfer it over to his new 2.0 TS block that's basically going to be stroked out to 2.3 because we're still using his internals. Alright guys, so we got the front timing cover off on here, and on this taking it off, we came across this here. The rod sling hit the oil pump, broke the oil pump, popped the oil chain off.
Holy shit!
Yeah. And just a whole bunch of debris in there. A lot of stuff. A lot of debris. And the rod itself, yeah, it's not there. It's somewhere in that block. Okay, so we got the head off here. So you can see the rod is gone and the piston's gone. Here's cylinder 2, cylinder 3, and cylinder 4. There's nothing in there. Actually, the board's not that bad. That'll probably be worse than this here. But let's go look at the head. Cylinder 1's pretty much beat up. We can clean all this up here. Weld it and kind of fix it up a little bit. Cylinder 2's not bad, cylinder 3's not bad, and cylinder 4's not bad at all. So now we're going to go ahead and flip the block over and start working on the bottom end and seeing how bad is it down here. Alright, so we got the bolts off the oil pan. Basically, you see here the oil pan is really good. Has a hole here, it's cracked. Pretty much done. And let's see what kind of damage we have here. We have the piston rings here. Another ring here. Have some of the rods here.
Damn!
Part of the rod, piston, side skirts, and oil pump. Yeah. Wow. Pretty bad there. Oil pickup tubes damage on here. You can see. So what we're gonna do now is take the crank apart. Not apart, just take the crank out and see if it's salvageable. And here's more of the side skirts. Just oh, there goes the wrist pin over there on that side. Wrist pin there. So yeah, this thing went Ecoboom. so we got the crankshaft out. So see the damage here. Main girdle, broken. Oil pump, broken. Yeah, it didn't survive at all. Oil pickup tube pretty much is broken. And I don't really think there's anything we could salvage out of this. The journal for cylinder 1 where the rod broke off at pretty much is damaged. I think it's no good. But yeah, so what ended up happening was, let me get it piston out of here real quick. Alright, that would do it. Alright, so you can see these rods here. So when the rod broke, obviously it broke probably around here somewhere, which was slinging around on the crank like this, slinging around like that. And when it was slinging around, it just basically made a hole in the block here and knocked over there on that side out and hitting the oil pickup tube and the oil pan and knocking the oil pump out and stuff like that. So that shows me there that when it broke, it was probably around this area here, up on top. But yeah, I mean, it was a good try to see what we could actually salvage from it. But pretty much, I mean, we could use all the oil pan bolts and I guess the oil pump pickup gear there. Well, I probably would change that. But yeah, pretty much this engine's done. But at least you guys can see what kind of damage a rod could do when you go kaboom on there. Alright guys, one thing I forgot to mention about too was the new rod design Ford came out with on their new 2.3 liter Ecoboost that's in the Ford Ranger. This is pretty much their Gen 2 design, I should say, of the Ecoboost engine that started out and I think came out like in 2020, I believe though, but they were manufactured back in like 2019. So pretty much this is the new composite rod design here that they have. It's kind of mimicking of what an I-beam is here. You can actually see the thickness between this one here and the thickness of the forge rod here. Now I know Molly were making these rods here. I don't know who is actually making these rods, but I know I haven't seen any issues yet with the newer rods, only with the older ones, which are these here. But yeah, this one here looks like it could kind of withstand a little bit more boost and not bend, since the Ford Ecoboost, you know, they make tons of torques versus, you know, like what a Mazda would make, Mazda Speed would make, or any port injection turbo cars or DI cars. But yeah, pretty much this is their new rod design here. You see it? Compare them together here. But yeah, see you guys on the next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.